You mentioned Daniel Siegel's work in your lecture today, and you spoke about some of the features of the adolescent brain that he posits in his work. Can you flesh out? One of them is creative exploration. What is that? What does that look like for youth in that season of their lives? What might that look like in the church?
Wow, yes. I think creative exploration is something that comes along with the developing mind, the greater capacity to be able to conceptualize the world. And with that might come the ability to reflect and ask deeper and more important questions. And, exploration also has to do with engaging and trying new things.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, someone in high school might try working on the school newspaper, might try photography, might try a number of things. And I think it is ideally a time when youth will have many opportunities to do things, some of which might just seem like play, but play is important.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the ability to be creative in one's thinking, to challenge the reigning wisdom on topics, the way Greta Thunberg does,
Yeah.
I think is really something important that we want to nurture in them. We want to encourage them,
Yeah.
even if they're challenging us,
Yeah.
to recognize the questions as important and to affirm them in their search for answers.
Yeah. It's almost a little bit prophetic, or there's a possibility for the prophetic voice to emerge in that
Absolutely.
kind of setting. Yeah.
I think that, at this age, the potential is ripe for prophetic concerns, and this is when, within a few years, people will be discerning their call or their life's work, and if they have moments, say, in a youth group where they travel to work on a house in Appalachia,
Yeah.
those moments could be very important in that discerning process. So the creative exploration is, things are open, things are nebulous. Students are not yet having to commit themselves to one track or another, but it is a very rich and important time for them to be able to take in and to explore their own talents and gifts.
Yeah. Thank you.